Quality replacement. This heater hose connector matches the fit and function of the original equipment connector. Durable construction. This heater hose connector is made of quality materials for a precise fit and leak-free durability. Cost-effective solution. Offers original equipment quality at competitive price. Performance tested. This connector has been rigorously pressure tested to ensure reliable performance. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Top reviews from the United States. So far so good. I could go on a rant about why Chevy designed this mess, but this one works. Stopped leak. Just a major pain to remove the original. I know this speeds up assembly on the line, but old school clamps don't have O-rings to fail.